Good morning. It's Friday, May 26, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update, starting out with a look at the composite radar out to sea. Look at all that rain out in the Atlantic Ocean. We've been talking about this low-pressure system for the last couple of days. It finally organized yesterday. It's moving north, but it is not going to move very much as we go through your Friday, but we're getting a little better picture of what the weekend is looking like. Now, this is just a low-pressure system that's somewhat organized. If we were a little bit later in the year, that would probably become a named storm, but that is not going to be the case with this. It's just going to continue to spin around out there and then move north and then actually start to weaken by tomorrow. Let's take a look at the current temperatures around the state. We have mid to upper 60s in South Georgia, mid 60s and some upper 50s as we head toward North Georgia, and still a few 40-degree readings up in the North Georgia mountains as we get started for this Friday. So let's take a look at our modeling as we go through the morning hours. We see all that rain out there in the Atlantic staying right off the coastline. Now, this is not indicating a lot of shower activity over land. We will see one or two pop-up showers, mainly in southeast Georgia, out ahead of this. This system is pulling down cooler air. The cooler the air, the more stable the atmosphere. The more stability, our rain chance goes down, and especially our thunderstorm risk is pretty much zero for most of the state today. And as we head into the afternoon hours, see that rain continuing to move a little bit closer to the coastline. So showers are possible from Savannah down to Brunswick, and then that continues to push up toward the north. Now we're starting to see the storm begin to weaken or spread out somewhat. We have some weakening on the outer edges. The center of the storm is still hanging in there, and that's why we're going to see a little bit more rain start to push into Georgia through the overnight hours. It will be breezy for most of middle and south Georgia today and into tomorrow as a result of this system being close by. And now tomorrow morning, starting out with some clouds along the coastline, maybe a shower or two just inland, and we're starting to see the storm weaken now. What I'm looking at, you see out to the coastline there, or out to sea with that low pressure in the 1006, that's the pressure in millibars. So the higher that number goes, the weaker the storm is becoming. The weaker the storm, the more it spreads out. So if you have Saturday plans, right now it looks like maybe some scattered showers in parts of, over pretty much all of Georgia, mainly east of I-75, looking at some scattered showers in there, but not a big rain out. So most of the heavier rain will be trapped in South Carolina. By Saturday evening, storm system weakening a little bit more, so that'll push a few more showers in toward Augusta. And then we head into Sunday. That system is going to finally move on out of here. The center of the low will be near Charlotte by Sunday morning, so we'll be on the backside still looking at some clouds and still a little breezy in the eastern half of Georgia. And then Sunday afternoon, mainly a mix of sun and clouds, showing a couple of pop-up showers and thunderstorms here and there. That's not really going to be associated with that system. That's just going to be kind of the garden variety showers as we move through late in the day on Sunday. So not a complete washout this weekend. Memorial Day Monday looks about the same as well, just with a mix of sun and clouds, maybe a scattered shower here and there throughout the state. That's the very latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.